Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a robot. So here is my quick plan. I just sketched out a couple of ideas, just rough sketching just to help me visualize it. Okay, so the robot's not too far from being finished. Here's the head with the drilled out eyes. So as I said, I've got some orange paracord here, neon orange. Okay, so we're going to start with the head and we're going to feed the rope in from the top. I'm using one of the ends that has got a nice end to it. And then we're going to feed it through the body of the robot. Just keep feeding it through. Okay, now we need to work out how much distance we want to leave between the head and the actual body of the robot. Right, let's just have a look if that's roughly the same. Yeah, that's about the same, so we now got near enough our robot done. Okay, so I quickly drilled those out. Now we're going to try and redo this part. So I just had a sudden thought, as you saw from that time lapse, the orange bits of rope, if I demonstrate quickly, right, and then I pull it right through, it gets stuck at the top, so I want to drill a hole that's slightly bigger than this one so it can sit inside the wood. So we just need to drill about a 10mm hole. Right, now I'm going to pull that through. Oh, perfect, and it hides the hole. So now we're going to do the same on the other side.